Teamwork makes the dream work. And if you don't have a good team around you, then I'm afraid to say your dream ain't gonna work. Hey guys, Justin here with part 4 of my series, Chasing the Indie Dream. And today I want to go over something very important and something that I learned in the beginning when it was just me kind of starting out and I had no one around to guide me in making games and I was completely lost. So the thing I want to talk about today is teamwork. And a lot of you watching are probably the typical solopreneur. You're sitting by yourself with your laptop and you think that that is the magic formula. You'll be able to do everything yourself. If you look at people, solo game devs or app developers who have gone on to some sort of success, that is kind of the exception to the rule. In Hollywood, they call that a triple threat. Actors that can also sing and dance. And let me tell you, if you're watching this video, 99.9%, you are not the exception, just like I am. So when I first started out, you guys know that I could not code. I still can't do that. My biggest strength was marketing. And obviously you cannot build a fully fledged game studio with solely just on marketing. There are a lot of other moving parts like game development and all that other good stuff. So what were my choices? I could sit there and learn and study and learn how to code games, and that would take me a long time to be mediocre at most. And to be mediocre, that's not going to move the needle in terms of me wanting to achieve my dream of becoming full-time. So I needed to delegate those skills that I was lacking, and I needed to find people around me to help guide me and to ultimately help me achieve that goal. So if you are one of these people that think you can do it all yourself, I would kind of refrain from that mindset, because the fastest way to get to your dream is to be surrounded by people that are better than you in certain skills. So, for example, if you are a programmer, chances are you don't have the same skill set when it comes to marketing or maybe in artwork and vice versa. So you do want to seek out people that can help you achieve your goals. And this is a difficult part. It took me many years to find people that I could trust to help me grow my game studio. And I can tell you without a doubt that they are responsible for a lot of the success that I experience. So you might be thinking, okay, Justin, I don't have any budget to hire people now. I'm just starting off. But this is where social engineering comes along. You can meet like-minded people with different skill sets to you that can complement you, and you guys can build a business together. You don't have to pay them in the beginning. Obviously, it's much faster and easier to pay someone to do the job because money is a good incentive. But if you do not have that, there are many social media groups. We have tools like LinkedIn. You've got to get out there and network with people if you don't have a budget. And that's how you find really good people, and they can help guide you on the skills that you're missing. So it's not going to be a long video. Because I just want the takeaway to be that you need to find people to help you grow your business. And this is straight from the horse's mouth, because I was you in the beginning and I thought I could do everything myself. I was literally trying to design icons in Microsoft Paint. It was terrible. So don't repeat the same mistakes. It is going to cost you a lot of time and money in the long run. So get out there, start networking people, join online communities. There are plenty of awesome people in the game and app space that are willing to kind of collaborate on projects. You don't have to pay people in the beginning. And that's exactly why I created my own online community. It is growing every day, and the people in there are so amazing. They have a wealth of knowledge. I'm in that group too. So please join the community. It is 100% free. And feel free to ask me questions in there. I'm more than happy to help you on your journey. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please show some love, smash the like button, subscribe if you do like this kind of content. I will see you on the final part next week. So stay tuned and stay safe.